So every square has its own name, right? So like this square is D5. Do you guys see my cursor?
I see your cursor. I see your cursor.
Okay. So this square is D5, this square is H2, this square is H8, right? Every square has its own name. And you guys have been telling me that in the private chat, so you know that, right?
Got it.
So that's pretty easy. Now we'll go to the next slide. Chess notation combines the chess piece moved with the new square it has moved to on the chessboard, okay? So for example, if the knight moves from E3 to F5, you would write down on your paper NF5, okay? And so you do this, okay? So it'd be N, so knight, N, and then to the square, F5, okay? So it'd be king is K, queen is Q, bishop is B, knight is N, right? Because both king and knight start with K, so knight's just N. That's just a rule, okay? Rook is R and pawn doesn't have anything, okay? So that's one of the confusing parts. If the pawn goes to E4, you just write E4, okay?
Okay.
Capturing an enemy piece sees an X between the piece moved to and the square. So if there was a pawn on F, so going back to this example, if there's a pawn on F5 and the knight moves there, and the knight takes the pawn, it'd be knight, so it'd be NX F5, okay?
X F5. Okay.
Yeah, so like here, exactly. N, X, F5, like that. Do I see it at the bottom?
Yeah. So it's like the knight is the knight is on F5, which is killing the pawn.
Yeah, so yes, do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, good. So castling kingside is written as like a 0-0, and castling queenside is written as 0-0-0. Okay?
Okay.
When there's a check, there's a plus sign added to that. Okay? For checkmate, you write like a hashtag or a number sign like this. And then the last one's not that. Okay?
Okay.
Quiz. I'll pause it for a second.